You have an amazing video idea, but no camera, no expensive software, and no design skills. What if you could create cinematic AI images in just minutes that look like they were made by a professional? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, from creating your account to generating stunning AI images for your videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to generate high-quality AI images for your videos, even if you've never used an AI tool before. First, open your browser and visit your preferred AI image generator. If you're new, create a free account using your Google account or email address. After signing in, you'll be taken to the dashboard where all the image creation tools are available. Now click on Create or Generate Image, depending on the platform you're using. This is where the magic happens. Instead of writing a short prompt like a mountain, describe your idea in detail. For example, a futuristic city at sunset, flying cars, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic, 8K quality, dramatic atmosphere, highly detailed. The more descriptive your prompt is, the better your results will be. Next, choose your image settings. Select the aspect ratio that matches your project. For YouTube videos, 16:9 is usually the best option. If the tool lets you choose a model or quality, select the highest quality available within your free credits. Now click Generate and wait a few seconds. The AI will create multiple image options based on your prompt. Take a moment to compare the results. If the image isn't exactly what you wanted, don't worry. Simply edit your prompt by adding more details about lighting, camera angle, colors, or style, then generate again. Small prompt changes often produce much better images. Once you're happy with the result, download the image in the highest available resolution. You can now import it into your video editor, add motion effects, transitions, voiceover, and background music to create a professional-looking video. And that's it. Creating amazing AI images for your videos is much easier than most people think. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.